templates make it possible to quickly send out communications that are always on brand and professional. Whispir has an extensive template library available to all our customers, with hundreds of pre-designed options ready to use straight away or edit however you like. You can also make templates from scratch. Add in banners, branding elements like logos, images, videos, and so much more, and move them around easily with our drag-and-drop editor. As well as being easy to create, there are lots of great options for customizing your templates. Set escalation rules so that if someone doesn't receive a message, it's sent to someone else. Choose to receive delivery reports, create aliases so that your recipients know a message is from you, and so much more. Whispir's templates make it easy to send engaging communications within minutes. To learn more, book a free demo with us today.